Hey guys, so a few years ago on a really hot summer's day, I decided that I would put in a swimming pool. So I went and I bought a porta pool and it was really great. We put it in, it was really awesome. We enjoyed it for a couple of years, and what I did realize soon after putting it in was that the pump was absolutely useless. So we went and we put in a proper swimming pool pump with a sand filter, and that went well for a couple of years, and we were able to keep the pool quite clear with that. But what happened after a couple of years, the pool got a hole in it, and so we replaced the liner. That lasted another 2 years, and then that got a hole in. So we decided we would go and do something more permanent, and after looking around and different ideas on the internet and YouTube, I decided that I would build my own plywood and fiberglass pool. So I've done that, and I wanted to talk you guys through it because I think that you could do this. If you're a little bit handy with your hands, you could do this too, and it will be a fraction of the cost of putting in a proper pool. So this pool, it's in the position of the old porta pool. So the first thing I did was get rid of the old liner and dig the hole deeper, as the old pool wasn't deep enough. I used a water level to level the deck off, and that was to make sure that the pool would be sitting nice and level as best I could. So half the pool is below the ground, the other half is above the ground. And what I did is I put the sand into sandbags and packed them around so that the top section that's above the ground would have a little bit of support from those sandbags. So although the pool looks round, it's actually 12-sided, and that made it possible for me to use individual pieces of plywood to make the base go round. I put a seat on one side and stairs on the other side. And then fiberglass the whole thing. Once all the fiberglass was in, 2 layers of fiberglass with resin, I then used the blue pool coat. That it's like a gel coat. You mix it with a hardener, and then that all went in and gave it its nice blue color. It's got 3 coats of that on. Then it's got the mosaic around the top, which is actually like a tissue paper that goes over the blue. But once it's on, you use a clear pool coat, like a clear resin I suppose, but they call it pool coat, and I put that over the top. So I think that anybody could do this, anybody who's a little bit handy, and I'd encourage you, if you really want your own pool, to go ahead and have a go. And if you do have a go, let me know in the comments what you think of the video. Please would you like and subscribe? I'd really appreciate that. Thanks guys.